Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update for June the 30th. Right now, we've got a mixed bag out here, just slightly mixed, meaning we've got the Dow trading to the downside by 42 points. That's less than 0.2% to the downside, so no big deal there. Otherwise, all the other indices in the green. The S&P's up 19, NASDAQ 100 up 115, Russell's up 10. Leader in the clubhouse percentage-wise, it's the semis. They're up nearly 2% or 37 buckaroonies. Out there. So let's take a look at what is going on. Well, let's take a look at new developments. This is assuming that you folks are listening on the next show, The Trader's Edge. And the new development since we last saw each other was there is a new profile that is attempting to form inside the ES Mini as well as inside the Dow Equity Future contract out here. Now, the nice thing about that, folks, is that means that the goalposts have changed. We've got some new numbers to help us identify breakdowns or breakouts. So inside now, they're attempting to form. I'm using my Stevie Advanced Doppler tool on this, so I won't have confirmation till tomorrow. But they're still solid. The numbers may shift or they may disappear, but you go with what you've got. You go with who you took to the dance. In this case here, the dance is 29.99 as support inside the ES Mini. The center of that box is where we're about trading right now, about 30.64. And the top of that profile is 31.29. That's going to be your resistance level. Inside the Dow Equity Future contract, the bottom of that new profile, 25.058. The top, 25.846. Anything else, we're just kind of churning and burning inside these levels. If you want to sell the market, the ideal thing to do is sell price when it's up at resistance. Those were the upper numbers that we gave you. If you want to buy the market, then what you'd like to do is buy support. Those would be the lower numbers, 29.99 and 25.058 out there. Now, the NASDAQ right now, the NQ, is trading just a tick or two above the top of its daily profile. That's at 10.062. So trading above that, closing above that would suggest going back and trying to take out on the most recent highs out here. So that's the most important development. Now, even though the ES Mini has a new profile, even though markets are moving higher, there's a problem inside the S&P 500. What is that problem, you ask, Steve-O? Well, it's the market breadth. If we take a look at the market breadth, right now there's still 127 issues trading below the bottom of their daily profile, which is bearish, and only 96 above the top of their profile. So don't expect too much traction until this configuration changes. Folks, thanks so much for being here. Stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show. If you're off to start your Tuesday, have a terrific one. We'll see you soon.